Ke Joint Regional Committee jong ke Jala Meghalaya bat Assam ke beripej Yakijaka ke Bayakaja haki Tanjantia Hills ke Iakynduh Nongbah Shillong haka khat South Rik ujalio arja arpulai ban sedang ke Jekren haka Bayde bat uput Assam jokini ki arjala. Yakni ke Jalang la peniai de Menteri Rang ba pendrap ke Sarkar Jala ba snyau phalangdhar ringkat ke Jedan lang Menteri ke Sarkar Jala Assam Upiyesh Hazarika. Habekren bikinong thok khobor nak liang kini ki menteri gilong banak liang ke committee kelas sedang no syat yaki kam baria ke kai pot on sa IT cheki Sarkar Jala how benai August mentakasnem.
So today is the first meeting of both the regional committee from Assam side and Meghalaya side. Today is the first meeting. So at least we have the opportunity to introduce each other, all the members. And we had decided the meeting also, so we'll start working out all the formula now about this second phase of border issues. So in the days to come, so the respective member of the committee board side, they'll start going to the side and the field, and we'll come with the report in few months or few weeks.
So who all attended this meeting? Anybody?
Yes, sir is a PUC, is a chairman regional committee from Assam, and I'm the chairman from this side, and all the other members.
What will be your approach when dealing with these difficult areas?
No, the approach is that to solve the border issues. That is the meaning of it.
Give and take, what is the approach?
No, we haven't decided give and take. We haven't decided. So let us go to the field and all the local.
Amicably.
Yeah, we will listen from them, and everything will be solved amicably from both states.
So when are you going to jointly visit these border
So
areas?
jointly visit, actually both the chief minister is desire to visit, so we will wait the time from them.
What about at the level of the regional committees?
So the regional committee will, because our target is to submit the report to the state government by August. So maybe in last week of this month or July, we have to visit the site.
More than 31 villages under Block 1, they have requested the government of Meghalaya to ensure that they are included in the state. So was
No, we
this also
didn't
discussed?
mention anything about 30, 40 villages. So now the exercise is yet to start. So maybe we'll come the actual figure in next meeting.
The control area is always a problem.
You see, block 1 is different and Iakynduh is different. So we will try to see first the low-hanging fruit first. That is the main need in our thing.
What is the assurance from the Assam that there is no disturbance there?
See, there are no disturbance from Assam. Miscreants disturbance not belong to the state. We are very friendly. We should have very good relationship with Meghalaya, and we have. So we don't have problem with Meghalaya people. Miscreants don't belong to us.
Yes.
That is simple. So we have high regards to the people of Meghalaya as well as people of other part of the northeastern part of the country. So amicably we should settle our long pending issues. We have long pending border dispute, but we are sure, I am sure, we'll be able to settle amicably within a very short period of time.
Recently,
from Assam.
What?
Miscreants are from Assam.
No, both miscreants from many sides only. How will you miscreant is miscreant? Miscreant is miscreant. How will you identify sitting here miscreants? But Assam people have love to the people of Meghalaya, and I believe Meghalaya people also have love to the people of Assam.
recently there was a clash between the Karbi and the Panar people.
What?
Recently there was a clash between the Panar and the Karbi people. So was this also discussed?
I am
on how
extremely
to-
sorry for that. I am extremely sad for that. We shouldn't have clash. We should have peaceful relationship with people of Meghalaya. Both the people from Meghalaya, people from our part, should have cordial, peaceful relationship, and our government, our chief minister deserves that only.